Rehau began in 1948 in a small German town called Rehau. And our founder, Helmut Wagner, he started extruding profiles, for example, for shoes and for the iconic Volkswagen Beetle. And from that, Rehau grew. Now we have more than 15,000 products, over 20,000 employees in 140 locations globally. So it's a global manufacturer of polymer products. In the civil market in Europe, Rehau is active since over 20 years. And we have sold 40 million meters of civil pipe, sewer pipe. We have sold over 1 million of sewer connectors and also over 1 million of these kind of shafts in Europe. In Australia, we have now the Awashaft, which is launched in Australia just recently. We have the maintenance shaft, maintenance chamber and maintenance hole in a range of DN400 to DN1000. The Awashaft is a sewer maintenance shaft that gives access to the sewer infrastructure for repairs or maintenance, and also some adapters, some really cool stuff, the Awadock that connects to the existing line. The Awashaft actually consists of 4 components only. There's a base. The base can have different variants, different in and outlet sizes, different gradients. Then there are riser components to adjust the height of the shaft. Then we have a cone on top and the access cover. So 4 components make an Awashaft, and that's the whole assembly. It is made of polypropylene, so it is crack resistant. Even when you work with your machinery on the shaft, it doesn't crack like concrete does. It is also resistant to corrosive gases, so when the gas cannot corrode the Awashaft. Overall, we have a lifespan of over 100 years on the Awashaft, which means less cost on the community for repairs and maintenance. And for the installer, it's very easy to install because the components are much more lightweight to concrete. So you can actually manhandle that with 2 people and just stick the components together and assemble your shaft on site.